How to fix Destiny 2 server error, FPS drop lag 2025. A. Fix server error in Destiny 2. 1. Check Bungie server status. Visit eps/help.bungie.net, /helpbungie.net, or use /downdetector.com, downdetector.com. 2. Restart internet and use wired connection. Power cycle your router, turn off 30sec, turn on. Use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi for stability. 3. Change DNS. Set your DNS to Google DNS 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. 4. Disable background downloads VPNs. Close apps like Steam Download, Torrents, VPNs, and Discord screen sharing. B. Fix FPS drops lag on PC. 1. Lower in-game settings. Go to Settings, Video, Shadows, Low, Anti-aliasing off, Depth of Field off, VSync off, FPS cap 120 or unlimited. Enable game mode and GPU scheduling. Search game mode in Windows, turn it on. Go to Graphics Settings, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, enable. 3. Update graphics drivers. NVIDIA, ps/www.nvidia.com download /nvidia.com, AMD, amd.com/n support. 4. Disable full screen optimization. Right-click destiny2.exe, Properties, Compatibility tab, check Disable full screen optimizations. 5. Set priority to high. Open Task Manager, Details, find Destiny2. Right-click, set priority high. See fix, lag, ping spikes, or rubber banding. 1. Use a nearby server, VPN optional. Use a VPN to connect to the closest server, e.g. exit lag or no ping. 2. Close high bandwidth apps. Turn off YouTube, Netflix, Twitch streams, torrent clients. 3. Disable IPv6. Go to Network Adapter, Properties, uncheck IPv6. 4. Use Performance Power Plan, Control Panel, Power Options, set to high performance.